students, welcome to eSchool Online. Today I will discuss an essay. Today's topic is your ambition in life. So let us discuss the important points. The points are introduction, arguments against ambition, poor men have become great because of ambition in life, your ambition in life, the dangers being over ambitious, conclusion. It is good to have some ambition in life. It encourages one to work hard and put more and more efforts to attain the objective. Ambition is some higher expectation in life. Some are to become great. A life without any ambition is like a boat sailing aimlessly with no direction. Those who are against ambition in life say that it sometimes makes people restless and full of despair in the long run if they cannot reach their goal. They are frustrated and depressed. They realize their limitations and come to know how they are not themselves. They are subject to forces beyond their control. Therefore, they conclude that it is better to give up all desires and ambitions in life, since they are the root cause of man's sorrow, misery, and suffering. Plain living and high thinking is a good ideal Gandhiji practiced in his life and could achieve true greatness. He was aware of the evil effect of high living and plain thinking. There are many poor men in history who have become very great in their latter lives because though they lived plain and simple lives, they worked with high hopes. They had ambitions to rise in life. Take the examples of Napoleon, the great emperor, and Lal Bahadur Shastri, the great prime minister. I feel that some ambition is desirable in life. The circumstances may not be very favorable for a person, but with a sense of determination, struggle, sincerity of purpose, and single-minded devotion, he can rise up to great heights. I have a desire to become a dedicated school teacher with a mission to educate the children. I will be a real shaping force and build their future. Service to mankind is service to God. With my wholehearted efforts for the cause of education, I hope to be remembered by generations. Many of our people in this vast country live in poverty, steeped in the darkness of ignorance. Millions of them are illiterate and are not aware of their duties and responsibilities in a democratic setup. They are adults of the age group of 15 to 35 years. I will teach some of them in my leisure hours. I will also work for the new literates. I can render some help to the poor students of the schools. Teaching is a noble profession and is connected with the light of knowledge that drives out the darkness of ignorance and illusion. The teacher in our tradition is equated with God, the creator, preserver, and the destroyer. He gives the blind eyes to see with. The true teachers of a child are his parents, and the true school is the home. But even then, the teacher can play a great role and give proper direction by his good teaching. By the example he sets before him, the school is the second home of the child. There are dangers of being over ambitious. If your ambition is sky high, you may not fulfill it to get true happiness. It spoils your career, makes you cheerless and gloomy. Being frustrated, you experience misery and think of great mishaps. You take recourse to evil means to achieve your end. You forget that end justifies means. That is, if your ambition is high, your means must be equally high and noble. At that stage, you begin to work without principles and try to do harm to others for no fault of theirs. He should not underestimate himself, but he should not also be over ambitious and try to become an overreacher. One's ambition should be moderately high, and all out efforts must be put to realize it. It is only then that life will be pleasant, meaningful, and worth living. We live in a time when people tend to become narrow minded and do not think that there is a world outside their own and they are to work for it for some time. The concept of human happiness has become increasingly selfish and body centered. I will work with splendid unselfishness to be an ideal teacher for others to follow my ways. Thank you all. Please like and share this video.